Welcome. If you're looking to keep your Facebook page a safe and positive space, sometimes it's necessary to block certain followers. With the latest Facebook update, the steps have changed a bit, but don't worry. I'll walk you through the entire process of adding a follower to your blocked list on your Facebook page using your PC. First, open your preferred browser and head over to Facebook. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, look to the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile photo. This will open a menu where you'll see all the pages you manage. Next, select the page where you want to block a follower. Click on the page's profile photo to enter the page's main dashboard. Here, you'll find all the tools and settings you need to manage your community. Now, look for the Settings and Privacy option in the left sidebar. Click on it and then select Settings from the drop-down. This will take you to a new page filled with different options for managing your page. Scroll down until you find the blocking section. Click on it, and then hit the Edit button next to the blocking options. This is where you can manage who is blocked from your page. You'll see an option called Add Followers to Blocked List. Click on this, and a search bar will appear. Type in the name of the follower you want to block. Once you find them in the search results, click on their name. A block button will appear next to their profile. Click on it, and Facebook will ask you to confirm your decision. Make sure you're blocking the right person, then confirm the step. And that's it. You've successfully added a follower to your blocked list on your Facebook page. This will prevent them from interacting with your page or seeing your content. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on managing your social media pages. Thanks for watching and see you next time.